Traders, we have the triple Qs right up here. Everybody knows it's on the website. Don't be in denial. Do not be in denial. We have the triple Qs. We have mini put options right up here. It's featured on the website. It's featured on the channel. We have more downside to go. 430 will be the support on the triple Q. The new bear is in town. Once it breaks below there, the bear controls, as the bear is controlling the triple Qs right here, right now. Not only that, it's all right here. It's all on turbooptiontrading.com. You got more resources there. 570 puts coming down. We got the 510s. Also, we got plenty of puts. We said the bear was coming. Now, sign up for the free 5-day trial or you're going to get taken to the woodshed and you're going to get slaughtered. Sign up now.